Hi everyone, it's Anais here. Welcome back to another at-home skincare tip video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about oily skin and how to treat it. So many people think that because you have oily skin that you don't really need to moisturize, but in fact, oily skin needs just as much moisturization as any other type of skin. The carrier just needs to be different, meaning the formula that we choose for the products to moisturize our skin just need to be a slightly bit more different than the ones that we would typically use for dry skin. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is of course our Hydrotone pads. This is our newest product and I really like these because they do help to balance the pH of your skin after cleansing, but it also delivers hydration to the skin as well, so it doesn't leave your skin feeling really dry and tight. Some of you may have also heard me mention about our Restore Hyaluronic Gel Serum. This is a great product to use for oily skin because the formula is so thin, it won't cause any sort of breakouts or clog the pores or anything. So oily skin still needs to be moisturized. If you don't moisturize, your skin tends to dry out, leading to the overproduction of oil, and that ends up causing more breakouts. So another great product to use on top of the Hydrotone pads and the Restore serum is our Revolve moisturizer. Now this one is a little bit heavier, so if you're more on the side of normal to oily skin, this is a great product to use. Just always remember to take a pea-sized amount. You don't need too much to moisturize the entire skin. So do remember that we still have our at-home kit available, which includes our brightening pads to help exfoliate at home, and it also helps to keep down the production of oil. And it also includes our Hydrotone pads for that easy hydration. So this kit is available to purchase for $1.99, and we can have it shipped to you. Or if you're in the Phoenix metro area, we can also offer home drop-offs. So go ahead and give us a call or click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. As always, please leave a comment to see what you guys are doing at home to take care of your skin, and we'll see you in the next skincare tip video. Bye.